Can't beat a Chevy Corvette. Like, unreal.
So here we are, man. 2-week break.
Yeah.
And you had some good news.
Yep.
Congrats.
Thank you. Oh, this is good. Yeah, good. Amazing. We're so excited to be a girl dad again. You know, I love my girls to bits, and to have another one coming is so cool. And I feel like the girl dads are really taking over in IndyCar these days with Palou and Felix, so it's great.
How much does that help you when you have a tough weekend to go home and know that you've got, you know, that lovely family element and those hugs, they just mean so much more?
Yeah, it's so good, you know, it is. It takes it's a whole different perspective, you know, of oh, this thing's so good in it. Yeah, a whole different perspective of my life now and what really matters.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's very important that this all goes well for me as a career, but you know, I think having my girls at home when they come home and my dogs, and it's just the best thing ever.
That's the real stuff.
Yeah. And I just say this is probably one of the best complexes, I think, that we go to.
It's so
it's so technical.
And for a road course, this is short.
Yeah. Yeah.
On this season, we were talking pre-season.
Yep.
Confidence was sky high.
Yeah.
You had placed yourself perfectly for it.
Yeah.
Has it been a disappointing year?
I think it's been a year that's been a little harder than I thought. I think learning my new team, working with TC, Roll, there's been a lot of really good things come out of it, especially midway through the year, but it's definitely taken longer than I thought to just gel and figure out exactly what we wanted. There's so many good things about everything that's happened this year, but at the same time, we just haven't executed. But I really feel the last sort of 3-4 races, we're starting to show our potential. And I think this next 5 weeks for us is huge from a perspective of let's just treat it as a little mini championship. And
I love that.
And, you know, get ready for next year as much as, you know, I'm not giving up on this year. It's it's trying to, I feel like we're really hitting our strides, really since Indy in some ways. We just haven't completely put it together. And
so these 5 weeks going to be like a springboard?
For me, yeah, I look at that. And the confidence has honestly been high all year. It's just taken longer than I thought, honestly. I have been surprised by that, but I've enjoyed it. I've had a lot of fun. I think the whole team's working really well together between myself, Joseph, and David, and all the engineers, and that's what's fun too. And it's just so goddamn hard in IndyCar these days, you know. It's
competition's high.
Competition's crazy, you know. It's just insane. So,
how much has David surprised you guys?
No, he hasn't surprised me. I mean, ultimately, he's had. You know, last year at AJ Foyt, he had his engineer and he worked with our setups and knew everything that we were going to have. So he knew what he had coming into it, and now he's just got a better pit crew, probably a better car build, and all that jazz. And he's just been solid, and he hasn't missed a beat. And but you expect that. That's why he was employed.
Yeah.
Everyone was like, oh, why is David getting employed over Will? Well, I think he's proved everyone that this year, you know. And he's been a great addition. So I've enjoyed working with him, and we'll enjoy in the future for sure. This is good.
Dude.
Little 5 complex. You want to get tight to this curb here, and then not too wide because you want to make sure that you have a good run through 7. This is my last lap. I can't remember. Nah.
It's so tight.
Yeah, and then 7 through 6 here. You want to get a really good run, and then brake hard. The 7, get tight as you can to the apex, and then.
There's like a myriad of setup options you can take here.
That's why I love Portland, because you've got to be set up really well for this fast stuff.
But then you need the downforce.
Yeah, and then you've got some big braking, some flowing corners. It's a lot of fun. I mean, I've had success here in the past. I love this track. It's fun. Like I said, this complex, you don't realize how narrow it is. You want to get as close as you can to this wall. You want to clip this curb, but not too much, because if you hit the back edge of these curbs, it's really bad. So there's so much technicalities that you don't probably see on TV, but as drivers, we love it. Have I got one more on me?
Yeah, you got one more.
Oh yeah, let's go.
So which way do you kind of lean with setup? Do you want the downforce for the corners, or do you want straight line speed?
Sort of. It's a. You can't really pick either. You've got to like just be pretty fluid, and there's going to be times in the race that on the weekend that my car might not feel that good through turn 1 here, but God, it feels good at 4 and 5 and the high speed stuff. And then there's going to be the other way where you feel really good through here and you feel bad in the high speed. It's just trying to pick what's better for the weekend. I'm going hard now. Let's go. Let's have a crack. I'm a touring car guy, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not gonna. Come on. Oh, it's a little bit pushy.
Hey, speaking of
Yeah.
touring car guy, or like having a roof over your head.
Yeah.
You ever want to run a NASCAR road race?
Everyone asks me that.
I know, right?
Yeah. I honestly, I do, but everyone thinks I want to run a road course. I want to run an oval.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would. I think it'd be so cool.
Have you spoken to the boss about it?
No. I you know, we always joke about it and whatnot, but it's more of a. I really, honestly, I love IndyCar. I just want to get this sorted here first. I want to win a race here again, be back to sort of where we know we should be.
Yeah.
And then all the other stuff we'll look at. I'm pretty lucky. I'm still 33. I've got time, and we'll see.
You're a pup, mate.
Yeah, I'm a pup, but you know, as much I'm a racer too. Like I love racing.
Yeah.
And our season finishes. Do I want to do other stuff outside of it? Yeah, because I just love driving.
Yeah.
But like, it's all that stuff maybe will happen. But
talking about maybe.
Yeah.
Like, there's a lot of chat about maybe IndyCar doing a bigger schedule, maybe going international again.
Yep.
I think we should have a double header with supercars.
Me too.
Right?
Yeah, I would love that.
How badass would that be?
I know. I'd love to do that. I'd love to race at somewhere like Adelaide or somewhere where.
Bathurst.
There's no way. I'll do a demonstration of Bathurst.
Oh, yeah.
Can we park here? Where should I park?
We park it up
Yeah, we'll
anywhere,
park up
man.
here. Look, for me to go home and race one of these things would be so special.
Cool.
Yeah, it'd be awesome. My friend, family, everyone out there would be it'd be so exciting. But it's I'll let them.
Pipe dream.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
Good
no
luck this
worries. Good
weekend.
job. Thanks, bro. Didn't scare you too much, was it?
Not at all, man. That was
I
lovely.
think I saw you holding on to the rail.
Yeah, a little bit.
bit.